Welcome and let's talk about Terra Classic token. Once again, let's look at Terra Classic price prediction for this year 2023. Remember Terra Classic last year, Binance really supported Terra Classic and we saw Terra Classic hitting a lot of bond. Binance bond billions of Terra Classic last year, and we believe this year, of course, we're expecting Terra Classic to really bond a lot of coins. We're expecting billions of Terra Classic to be bond this year. Now, Terra Classic this year, before the end of 2023, of course, the price of Terra Classic is expected to increase, it's expected to pump. Now, according to other top crypto experts, Terra Classic before the end of 2023 is expected to delete about 2 zeros. Now, so many people have actually predicted Terra Classic will be hitting 1 cent before the end of this year. And is it possible for Terra Classic to hit 1 cent in 2023? Of course, yes, it is possible. In fact, that 1 cent target is something we believe would have happened last year, 2022. I remember when they actually launched the 1.2% tax bond. So many crypto experts believe that tax bond and also Binance showing a lot of support for Terra Classic token will definitely help that coin to hit 1 cent last year. But I believe that target might be achieved this year. I believe Terra Classic can hit 1 cent before the end of 2023. Yes, end the year at 0.01 is possible. Now, when you consider the fact that Terra Classic have about 6 trillion coins out there, unlike some other coins like Shiba Inu that have over 500 trillion coins. And also Terra Classic have gotten a better plan to support the bonding of Terra Classic with the 1.2% tax bond. And Binance have also been supporting, including the Binance founder CZ, they have been supporting Terra Classic token. And we're expecting, of course, other big companies like Kucoin to come in and support this coin this year. In fact, I believe with the volume of Terra Classic, with the daily volume and the market cap, very soon we believe will be hitting about $1 billion, and Terra Classic before the end of the year might end the year with a market cap of about $2 to $5 billion. That will definitely help Terra Classic to really increase in price. But most importantly, 2023 is going to be a better year for crypto industry. That is what we hope to see. And I believe Terra Classic, if Terra Classic can hit back at all-time price, and I mean that would definitely means BTC hitting back at its all-time price would definitely push Terra Classic to really hit a lot of increase. Yes, ending the year 2023 at 1 cent is possible, and I believe Terra Classic can end the year 2023 trading at 1 cent. But please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please can do your own research before taking any decision.